I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to clear the cache in Google Chrome on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the vertical ellipses displayed on the screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Click Delete Browsing Data in this menu. The Delete Browsing Data window opens. Step 4. Tap the Duration dropdown at the top of the screen to open a menu. You'll see options for how far back you want to clear your cache. Step 5. Tap to choose how far back you want to delete your browsing data on your Android device, and then tap Delete Data. Your Android device's cache for your device duration will be automatically cleared. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.